Guys, good morning. Today's lecture is going to be different. It's going to be something you've not heard of. But it's the number one reason why a lot of traders find Forex very difficult. Why they keep they keep losing their account. They keep having winning days and losing days. It's something that people don't really talk about. Maybe because they feel it's a secret, or they don't want their students to be like them. But I'm going to open up to you today. And that topic today, you can go and do more research about it, is accumulation and distribution phase. If there is no accumulation, the market doesn't have money to pay. The forex market will go dry. During the accumulation phase, that's when they take money from the retail traders, because only the professional traders have this information to take money from the distribution, to take money at the distribution stage. Most of retail traders are trading at the accumulation phase. They don't know. Now, most pairs, the accumulation phase happens clearly in the daily chart. Most pairs, the accumulation phase happens clearly in the weekly chart. Now, let's look at gold. In a gold trade, you can see the accumulation phase. So if I came to trade today, what I'm going to look at, where is the accumulation phase and where is the distribution phase? If I answer those questions, then I know how to align my strategy. And I know if I should trade or not. This was an accumulation phase. The market was accumulating money here from the retail traders, and the distribution started up, right? People that knew this made align their strategy and make money from this distribution phase up, right? You can see it. It's clear. They made money from this move up. This is an accumulation phase. It's an accumulation phase. People that knows this strategy, when the market started distributing up, they find a way to align and make money from this point, right? This is another. Today, if I came to trade, and I ask myself, is the market in the distribution or the accumulation phase? If it's in the distribution phase, has it reached its target? All right. If no, I find a way to align. So if I came this day to trade, and I look at, the market is accumulating, right? Market is accumulating. Look at it. This is it. It has broken out. Let me find a way to align to tap from this market down. The market, whenever you see as a day trader, you look for the accumulation and tap from the distribution. It's an accumulation phase. You must master this to know it's an accumulation phase. It's a distribution phase. If there is no accumulation, there is no distribution. It's just the way the market moves. Now, one thing you need to do, you cannot act. If I want to teach you everything about accumulation and distribution phase in this video, it will be very lengthy. You go and do more research. It's an accumulation phase. So, before you trade, ask yourself, where is the distribution? Where is the accumulation? It's an accumulation phase. And this is a distribution phase. Accumulation phase. Here again, right? This is the distribution phase. Accumulation phase. Distribution phase. Accumulation phase. Distribution phase. So, now, let's deal with gold right now. Let's use opportunity to align with gold right now. The market accumulated at this point and distributed up. This is what we call a pullback pattern, right? So some people are jumping in to sell gold. No, it's wrong. If you're selling now, you're not trading. We have to wait for the market to go into what they call another accumulation, and another distribution will start for you to tap into the market. It's a clean ride. This was an accumulation, it's a distribution. Market is pulling back to retest this level. Maybe but I'm not taking that. So I'm going to wait for another accumulation and distribution phase to start, and I tap into that direction. That's a summary of how to trade. Trading, you must know how the market moves to be able to tap. Let's look at, I think, another pair here. Okay. This is Kachev. So if I told her, if you know what I'm telling you now, you won't be blowing your account. At least whatever strategy you are trading, a buy trade, a sell trade, this is an accumulation phase and this is a distribution phase. So as a trader, if I came into trade today, I see the market breaking up from an accumulation phase. I begin to look, where is this market heading to? Where is the target? Okay, this is where you begin to, look at, put other things you've learned into practice. Market is selling, so how am I going to tap into this sell move? Because market is distributing money. Market have taken money from the retail traders at the accumulation phase. Market is distributing money to the market is now distributing money. So when you come and see market here, you leave the market. You leave it. This is where the market is gathering money. You're going to blow your account now. If you go to the 15-minute chart, you won't know that this is an accumulation phase. So as a day trader, you must know this. If you cannot see the accumulation phase clearly in your daily chart, if you cannot see your accumulation clearly in your daily chart, you leave the chart alone. Go to another pair. If you cannot see accumulation phase in that pair, go to another pair. When you see accumulation phase and see a clear distribution, you begin to align your strategy towards the distribution phase. That's how you win the market consistently. This is how the market moves. So if you're trading a lower time frame, you don't have this knowledge, you might just be you might be giving money to the market in the accumulation phase, because that is where a lot of wipe saw happens. That's where they take your money, because the market don't have a clear direction. They are taking money at those levels. Look at this now. It's common. It's how to trade. If you look at how the market was as a day trader, this was an accumulation and this is a distribution. You find a way immediately to take the money out from the market, to tap into the key. This is it. It came again, started accumulating here. If this is all, you need to be consistent. Start accumulating here, right? It breaks out. You find a way to tap into this move, right? Now, what people don't know is that market has distributed. Market started going up. You wait. You must know when to wait in the market and when to tap into the market. You see the market going up. You want, it's buying. But no, if the market is buying, where is the accumulation phase? So if somebody say, I want to buy, I ask you a question. Where is the accumulation phase and where is the distribution phase? So if you are buying this market now, I'll ask you, where is the accumulation phase that they are distributing money up? You cannot show me. But if I'm selling this market now, if you are selling this market, put a sell, ask you, where is the accumulation phase? You point at me here, I'll clap for you, because you are doing the right thing. Whether you win or not, make sure you do the right thing. So now, if you cannot show me the accumulation phase that is distributing the market, that means you don't know what you're doing. This is an accumulation phase. So if you are selling the market, says I want to sell catch up, I'll say, where's the accumulation? It says this is it. I'll clap for you, because you're doing the right. You're going to make money. You're going to make money in the market. Once you have this knowledge I'm sharing with you today, you're going to make money. Align your strategy towards the distribution phase. Except you are a range trader. Except you know before you can make money in the accumulation phase, you must actually have a clear range strategy to trade with, which is not always easy to trade in the range, because market don't make a clear movement. They are there to accumulate money, so they buy and sell in a very short time. So when the market starts distributing, that is when you can have a clear. That's when the money is being shared. You can see how the money was shared. How many pips is this? Can you count these pips? That's a lot of money. Imagine how it dropped. So, and this is where we made money from this pair. You saw it dropping, you wait, you will not make money at this point. I think another way we made money this week was Chef JPY. Let me show you. Just when you see a distribution, what do you need to do? When you see accumulation, you wait for a distribution. So I don't know how to say more than this. So as a trader, and you're watching me, at least you've gained knowledge today. But to shorten your learning curve, you can actually contact me for mentorship. I will gladly make you a professional trader in a day. I will make a professional trader in a day because Forex is logic. It's logic. This is what I was telling you, that accumulation phase necessarily be must. Like this is a channel, so this is an accumulation phase. See what I was teaching you? Now, this is what they don't tell you. Even when you see even though you read books about accumulation and distribution phase, they won't tell you that as a day trader, the time frame to look out for as a day trader. Okay, they will just tell you about accumulation and distribution, but nobody's going to tell you the time frame as a day trader, how to spot it, and how to trade it. But I have actually given you, as a day trader, you look for distribution at the daily chart. You don't look for distribution at the 4-hour chart. You don't look for accumulation and distribution at the 4-hour chart. You don't look for accumulation and distribution at the 1-hour chart. You don't look at accumulation and distribution at the 15-minute chart. You don't look at accumulation and distribution at the weekly chart. As a day trader, you look for accumulation and distribution at the daily chart. Now, look at ChatGPT, how we got this straight. When we saw, okay, a student of mine called this signal to me, and I asked him, I was driving, and I asked him, quickly snap and show me the distribution, the accumulation. He showed me the accumulation. I understood that this is a recent distribution. So we begin to plan our trade, and we got this trade here. We got this trade. It was a clear. We caught this trade here. At the pullback, and we continue in the distribution. It's a clear strategy. As a day trader, imagine they have made money from here, so they have enough money to distribute down. So this information I'm giving to you, you need, whether you are my student or not, you need to appreciate me. As far as you are watching this channel, whether you are my student or not, you need to appreciate me, because I have just given you an expo on how to trade. So imagine that you are trading here. Imagine how you lose money. Oh, he's selling. Oh, he's buying. Oh, they have taken a lot of money, so they are distributing the money to those that knows what they are doing. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you need more mentorship, more guidance, kindly contact me. I will leave my Telegram link on the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.